Happy Wednesday! This is Mike here with Lab Society, and we're gonna go over some hump day hacks today. So behind me here, I've got a distillation system running, and I've got over a liter of terpenes collected in this collection flask down here. Because I want to remove the low boiling point compounds from the system before continuing the run, I'm going to go ahead and utilize this awesome flicket valve that we designed for our G3X systems. So objectively, I need to close the valve to isolate this area of the system, release vacuum from this plug here, and once the vacuum is released and the pressure is back in the flask, I can switch to this flask right here. So we'll get this done. First step is going to be closing our valve. So notice I'm filling up liquid as soon as I started to do that. So that means I'm probably going to want to do this relatively fast so I don't, overflow my system. So slowly I'm going to release vacuum utilizing this GL cap over here. Oh, looks like I got a slight leak. Oh, looks like I've got a pretty serious leak actually. Let's make this better. Okay. Now that I've got a good seal on here and my flask is no longer under vacuum, I'm going to go ahead and remove this. As we can see, we have a very large container of terpenes here. Notice I'm not rushing too fast here. No reason to break any glassware in your lab. I'm going to go ahead and clean off my joint. Clean up inside it just a little bit. Now that that's nice and clean, I'm going to apply some more grease to get a good seal on here. Now we're going to go ahead and put on this next flask. Excellent. Ket clip, put on my cap. Now if we're looking back at this, we can see that we have a nice buildup above the valve. We can see that it's sealed extremely well, and we can also see that up in the vacuum pressures up top here. A new collection flask connected, and our vacuum release cap is covered. So now I'm going to slowly, very slowly, release the pressure from this part of the system. Really slow, because I do have liquid and I don't want everything to fly up. So I'm going to turn this super slow. Super slow. Oop, there we go. And we have some splashing. Slowly. Alright. Good to go. Alright. We've officially switched flasks over here. And we did it without breaking the vacuum of the system, turning the vacuum pump off or anything. We didn't suck our liquids into the vacuum pump or cold trap. So we successfully did a flask change using the G3X valves. Thank you.